We don't have time. When you tell them to chant Hare Krishna, they say we don't have any time. It's very difficult to take time out to chant Hare Krishna. So how do we take out time? The answer is very simple. You stop eating your lunch and dinner. Then you will have that much of time. And that time you can utilize for chanting Hare Krishna. Now this sounds very unreasonable. Why? Because eating is required. If we don't eat, then the body will stop functioning. So we are so very conscious of our bodily needs that no matter how much busy we are, we do take time out to eat our daily lunch and dinner. So that means for whatever is important to us, we do have time. But because we find that Hare Krishna is of no importance, therefore we find it difficult to take time out to chant Hare Krishna. So this is the real problem. If we are conscious of our soul, then we can easily take time out to chant Hare Krishna. And because we are not conscious of our soul and we are only bodily conscious, we are thinking that I am this body, so we are doing all that is required for the benefit of the body. But because the Hare Krishna chant is required for the benefit of the soul, and we are oblivious to the benefit of the soul, and we don't know what is the benefit of the soul, we do not know what is the soul in the first place. So where does the question arise of knowing about the benefit of the soul? So since we do not know anything about the soul, we are not concerned we are not concerned with chanting Hare Krishna. Therefore this is the real problem. So in order to understand that I am the soul, we need to get trained up. And once we get to know that I am the soul, we will find time to chant Hare Krishna. As long as we do not know that I am the soul, we will always have this problem of finding time out for chanting Hare Krishna. Therefore we should always first try to find out who I am, and that is available in one book called The Science of Self-Realization. It's a compilation of Prabhupada's lectures. So Srila Prabhupada, he is the founder Acharya of ISKCON, International Society for Krishna Consciousness. He has written a book called Science of Self-Realization, and if you read this book, everything about the soul is described very vividly, and you can easily come to know that you are not this body, you are the soul. So the description is given, the link to a free download of that particular book is given in the description. You can go there and download a free e-copy, and if you want a hard copy, you can always order it online, or you can find it on any e-commerce website such as Amazon and Flipkart. So do read about this, and then you will find time to chant Hare Krishna.